How to use coupons on SHEIN app. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now, you can head towards any of the item that you want to purchase. Just add the item to the cart. So I'm going to add few of the item. Once we're done, you can head towards the cart section. Click on the cart icon given at the top right corner. Over here, you're going to find all the items that you have added to the cart. Go ahead and check in for the items that you want to purchase and then click on checkout. Go ahead and select your shipping method, likewise provide your shipping details. Then select your shipping method. Scrolling down, you'll find the option of apply coupon. Click on that. Now in this page, you might find the available coupons for you to use. You can check in for the coupons, or also you can type in your coupon code over here and then click on apply. Now check all the details, then click on continue and then confirm your order. With that, your coupon code will be applied. So this way you can easily use coupons on SHEIN app. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.